The fact that you are no longer living in Nigeria shouldn't stop you from eating what you love, So in this video, I'm going to show you how I dry these snails and package them for exports, okay? If today is your first time of coming across my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more amazing recipes, amazing videos, okay? In these bowls, I have about 280 pieces of snails and they are well cleaned already, okay? Just stay with me and see how I dry these snails and package them for exports, all right? I also have a video on how I freeze snails, periwinkle, ugba, most of Nigeria food you can get here and you want to ship out, okay? I have a video on how I did that. You can do well to check it out, although I will be linking the video to this very one. All right, do well to check it out. Thank you. This is my little way I support some of my friends and relatives who are not living in Nigeria to enjoy Nigeria food even though they are not around. I'm done arranging this set of tray. I will put them in my oven to dry, and after drying I will repeat the same process because the snails are still remaining, okay? I'll just place these ones in my oven and allow them to dry. I also try to flip them side by side until they were dry like this, okay? Look at this. Isn't this looking so beautiful? In these trays, I have about 2 sizes there. I have taken out my time to sort them out according to the size. There are 2 sizes, okay? So guys, would you be doing this for a friend or for your family members who are not living in Nigeria? Let me know in the comment section. So guys, it's time for me to start packaging these snails one after the other. I'm going to be using a zip bag to do this, okay? And after packaging, I will also go ahead and label them accordingly for easy identification, for to know the right size and how many pieces that is inside a bag. All right, so if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like this video, comment and share to your family and friends, okay? Share to everyone so that they can also come and watch this video. All right, thank you so much for staying connected. Thank you so much for staying till this time. Enjoy the rest of the video.